touches my foolish heart. Don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight.
Thank you very much, Justine. Thank you very much, Miguel. Thank you so much. Ayan. Yung entertainment po ay mamaya talaga mag-uumpisa pa mga around 9
Uwi na kayo?
hours and something. Ayan. Meron lang pong naganap na birthday occasion kanina, celebration. Kaya may entertainment agad. And siyempre, napapasalamat sila at sila ng kanyang mga bisita. If you want to stay, you stay. Ayan. Yung may not stay, di ba? Diba? Salamat po sa mga umatensyon. Okay, salamat po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya namin. Kapuso, kapatid, at kamuso. Ayan. At, hindi na no? Entertainment po, mabalik ko namin. Mag-break lang po. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at 22nd Street. Magandang gabi!